everyone. Today I'm starting my new series and that is Masti Ki Pathshala. In this series, we are really going to have a lot of masti with a lot of learning. We'll do a lot of grammar topics, vocabulary and मस्ती जिसके बारे में आपने सोचा ही नहीं.
आज हम सीखेंगे दया और जेठा के साथ रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. चलो सीखें. हेलो टपू's father, what do you think? Why have I called you? Hello, I don't know Daya. I wanted to tell you that my loving brother Sundar is coming today. Oh, why is he coming again? He's coming to stay with us for a week. Daya, your brother is a headache. Hey माँ, माता जी. जेठा और दया के साथ अब हम सीखेंगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच. So let us quickly read the conversation that we have already read in the previous slides between Daya and Jetha. After that, there is a passage for you which is incomplete and you have to complete it in reported speech or the indirect speech. We'll follow all the rules and we'll learn together. वैसे मैंने आपके लिए ये नीचे सॉल्व करा हुआ है, but let us understand how it has been done. Let us read the conversation. Daya says, "Hello Tapu's father, what do you think? Why have I called you?" Jetha says, "Hello, I don't know Daya." Daya says, "I wanted to tell you that my loving brother Sundar is coming today." Jetha, "Oh, why is he coming again?" Daya, "He is coming to stay with us for a week." Jetha, "Daya, your brother is a headache." Now let us see each blank and we'll solve and understand. Daya called her husband and asked dash. Now let us see Daya's dialogue on the top. She asked, "What do you think? Why have I called you?" Now as you all know, whenever the direct speech sentence starts with an interrogative WH word, WH question words are what, when, where, who, all these are WH words. Then they start in the indirect speech, they start with the same word. Alright, so we will start the blank here after asked with what. Do is present tense, we have to convert into past tense. We all know whenever there is conversion from direct to indirect, we have to make the present into past, past into past perfect. So here do is present tense which we convert into past and becomes did. Alright, and you over here is used for Tapu's father, that is Jetha. He is a male, so we'll write he. Right, let us read and see. Daya called her husband and asked, "What did he think?" Why remains why. As I told you, it's a WH word. Have is present tense form. We have to change it into past tense, so it becomes had. Why had she called him? This is already done for you. To which Jetha replied her. Then there's a blank. Let us see Jetha's answer. "Hello, I don't know Daya." So whenever we have to convert a declarative statement or a sentence from direct to indirect, we always start with a that. Alright, after the reporting verb comes that. So here Jetha replied her that he is who? Jetha, that is a male member, so we have used the pronoun he. Don't is present, didn't is past tense of don't. He didn't know. She further said dash. Let us see Daya's next dialogue. I wanted to tell you that my loving brother Sundar is coming today. She further said, this is already written, that I told you we have to write that in declarative sentences. That she, I is the first person and that is for Daya. She is a female, so we write she. She had wanted. Wanted is past tense. We have to change it into past perfect. She had wanted to tell him. You is used for Jethalal, so he is a male. Tell him that her. My is for Daya, so her loving brother Sundar is becomes was, coming, today becomes that day. We know, we have already learned that these conversions have to be done. Let us see the next conversation that is following. Jetha exclaimed with sorrow. So there's oh, that is exclamation with sorrow. Jetha exclaimed with sorrow and asked, let us see what he has asked. Why is he coming today? I have told you, whenever there is a WH question word, it remains the same. So why is becomes was. Why was he coming again? Let us see next. Daya told him dash. Let us see Daya's next dialogue. He is coming to stay with us for a week. Daya told him, because it is a declarative sentence, she's declaring something, it is a normal statement, it will start with that after the reporting verb. Daya told him that he is becomes was coming to stay with us. Us is who? Daya and Jetha. So this us becomes them for a week. To which Jetha told Daya dash. Let us see last dialogue of Jetha. Daya, your brother is a headache. To which Jetha told that, again we have to write that because it is a declarative sentence, that her brother was a headache. Is becomes was. Her is for Daya, your brother, Daya's brother. So her brother, Daya is a female. I hope you have understood this.
I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो. हम लोग इस सीरीज में बहुत सारी मस्ती करेंगे, बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे, बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे भी. Newcomers, please subscribe. Press the bell icon also for the latest notifications. फिर मिलेंगे मस्ती की पाठशाला में.